At home, Alex and his mother discuss family and jobs.
Alex, wake up. Your tea is ready.
I'm still sleepy, Mom. Can I rest a little longer?
No, son. You need to get up. Think about the family's situation.
I know, Mom. But finding a job here isn't easy.
You have to try, Alex. Seeing the house in this state breaks my heart.
I want to get a good job soon, Mom. Believe me.
Then you should go to the city. You might have better opportunities there.
But, Mom, I don't know anyone there. I'll be all alone.
Don't worry, son. Hard work will take you far.
Your prayers mean everything to me, Mom.
I'm always with you, even when I'm not physically there.
I'll try to save some money and leave soon.
Your father always wanted you to achieve something big.
I want to fulfill his dreams, Mom. I really do.
Remember, wherever you go, always work honestly.
I promise, Mom.
And don't forget to take care of the house while you're preparing to leave.
I will, Mom. I'll do my best.
Drink this tea. It will give you strength.
Thank you, Mom.
Don't waste time. Start looking for a job soon.
I will, Mom. I really will.
Make yourself strong, son.
I will. I promise.
Come on, get ready quickly.
Okay, Mom. I'm getting up.
Eat something first. You need energy.
All right. I'll eat a little.
You can't go empty-handed. Take some snacks for the journey.
Thank you, Mom. That's thoughtful.
Remember to greet everyone politely.
Yes, Mom. I'll be careful.
Take care of yourself, son.
I will. Don't worry about me.
Keep your documents and resume ready.
I have them, Mom. Don't worry.
Don't let anyone take advantage of you.
I'll be careful, Mom.
Save some money for emergencies.
I will, Mom. I've planned it.
If you ever feel lost, call me immediately.
I will. I promise.
Remember, honesty and hard work always pay off.
I know, Mom. That's what I believe in.
Take one step at a time. Don't rush things.
I understand. I'll be patient.
Don't forget your roots, Alex.
Never, Mom. I'll always remember where I come from.
Pray every day, son. It will guide you.
I will, Mom.
Keep learning from every experience.
I'll try to, Mom.
No matter what, stay strong.
I will, Mom.
Your father and I are proud of you already.
That makes me stronger, Mom.
Now get dressed and start preparing.
Okay, Mom. I'm ready.
On the bus to the city, Alex meets Sia.
Hey, are you okay? You look upset.
Oh, it's nothing. Just a lot on my mind.
You can tell me if you want. Sometimes talking helps.
I came to the city to find work, to help my family. Everything here feels so strange and scary.
That's understandable. I'm Sia. What's your name?
I'm Alex. Nice to meet you, Sia.
Nice to meet you too. Are you looking for a specific job?
Not really. Anything that can help my family. I just don't know where to start.
Where are you from, Alex?
A small village. No one here knows me.
How is your family back home?
They're poor. My mom and dad work hard just to survive.
That must be difficult. But you seem strong.
I have to be. For them.
What kind of job do you hope to get?
Anything, really. I just want to work honestly and support my family.
I work in an office. Maybe I can help you.
Really? That would mean a lot.
Yes, I can introduce you to my boss.
Thank you, Sia. You've given me hope.
Everyone deserves a chance. Don't feel discouraged.
How about your family, Sia?
I have my parents and a younger sister.
I'm all alone here, always worried about home.
But your dreams must be big, right?
Yes, I want to lift my family out of poverty someday.
We'll make a plan when we get to the office.
I'm ready for anything.
Do you want to know about me, too?
Of course.
I studied engineering, but I'm working here temporarily.
That's impressive. You must be really hardworking.
Thank you, Alex. I believe you'll succeed too. Just have faith.
I'll try, Sia. Your words mean a lot.
We'll be at the city soon.
I'm so glad I met you today.
Me too. Nobody should feel alone.
I feel less scared knowing someone cares.
Exactly. We can face the city together, even if just for today.
What if I fail? What if I can't get a job?
Failure is part of the journey. You'll learn from it and keep going.
You make it sound easier than it feels.
That's because I've been there. The city feels huge at first.
I hope I can adjust quickly.
You will, Alex, step by step.
What's the office like? Is it big?
It's not too big, but friendly. You'll feel comfortable.
I really appreciate your help, Sia.
Don't mention it. Helping each other is important.
I'll remember your kindness forever.
That's sweet. Just promise me you won't give up.
I promise, Sia.
Good. That's the spirit.
I am excited and nervous at the same time.
That's normal. You're about to start a new chapter.
I hope it goes well.
It will. Come on, we're almost there.
Let's see what the city has in store for me.
Exactly. Let's go.
At the company, Sia introduces Alex to her boss.
Sir, this is Alex. He's come seeking work.
Okay, Alex. How did you come here?
Sir, I'm from a poor family. I want to support them and do something meaningful.
Your courage is admirable, but working here won't be easy.
I understand, sir. I'm ready to work hard.
Do you have any prior experience?
No, sir, but I'm eager to learn.
He seems very organized and hardworking, sir.
All right. We'll start with a 1-week trial. You'll learn the work during that time.
Thank you, sir. I'll give my best.
Tell me about your family.
At home, there's my mother and father. They work very hard to make ends meet.
Alex's situation really moved me.
Poverty isn't a weakness. Hard work and honesty matter most.
I understand, sir. I'll try my best every day.
I'll keep trying to get Alex better opportunities as he grows here.
Now learn the office rules and start from tomorrow.
Sure, sir. I will.
Alex, better days are coming.
Thank you for believing in me, Saya.
Alex, I hope you do well here.
I won't disappoint you, sir.
Let me show you around the office and introduce you to everyone.
Thank you. I'm ready.
Take care of your work and yourself.
I will remember that, sir.
At home, Alex shares the job news with his mother.
Mom, I'm home.
Alex, come quickly. I was so worried about you.
Mom, I have good news. I got a job.
Really? This is wonderful. How did you manage it?
I met a girl, Sia. She helped me get this opportunity.
Thank God, Alex. I never imagined this day would come.
The work is a bit tough, but I'll work hard every day.
Work hard, but remember to take care of yourself too.
I will, Mom. The boss is kind. He gave me a 1-week trial to learn everything.
At least now you'll have some income. That will help us a lot.
Yes, Mom. I'll go to work every day without fail.
Your father would have been so happy to hear this.
I know. I'm trying my best to fulfill his dreams, Mom.
Now you'll have to work even harder, son.
I promise, Mom. I'll do my best.
And don't forget your responsibilities at home.
I understand, Mom. I won't let you down.
Your success has brought so much happiness to this house.
Mom, everything happened because of your blessings and prayers.
Your happiness is all I want, Alex.
I'll keep bringing good news for you, Mom.
Just seeing a smile on your face is enough for me.
I'm happy, Mom. Thank you for always believing in me.
Now, rest well, my son. You'll have work again tomorrow.
Yes, Mom. I'll rest now.
Come, let's have some tea together.
Sure, Mom. I've been craving your tea for a long time.
Here, drink up. You need your strength.
This tastes like home. I missed it so much.
And I missed seeing you so happy.
Mom, I won't let you down. I'll make you proud.
You already do, Alex. You already do.